Wondering who's been checking out your Telegram profile? You're definitely not alone. In this quick tutorial, I'll explain everything you need to know about profile views on Telegram as of 2025. By the end, you'll have a clear, up-to-date understanding of how privacy works on Telegram, why you can't see who viewed your profile, and how to keep yourself safe from potential scams targeting curious users just like you. Let's dive in. First off, it's important to set expectations. Right now, Telegram does *not* display a profile views counter. That means there's no way within the app to find out who has visited your profile or how many times it's been viewed. If you're used to platforms like LinkedIn Premium, where you can see exactly who has checked out your page, Telegram's approach might feel a little different, but there's a method to their madness. Telegram takes privacy very seriously. They intentionally choose not to let users track profile visits, and this is by design, not by accident. The reason behind this is pretty simple. They want everyone to feel comfortable using the app, messaging, or just checking out a public profile without worrying about leaving a permanent trace. Think of it as being at a party where you can mingle in the crowd without wearing a name tag. There will always be people walking by, and you don't have to stress about who's keeping tabs. Now here, where you should be extra careful. You might see third-party apps, bots, or websites that promise you a magical list of who's viewed your Telegram profile. It might sound tempting, right? Unfortunately, these are almost always scams. Most of the time, scammers design these services to trick you into handing over your personal data, hacking your account, or even installing malware on your device. So if you ever come across an app or a bot that claims it can reveal your profile viewers, remember. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Never enter your Telegram credentials or click suspicious links. They could compromise your privacy and security in a big way. If you've already tried one of these, don't panic, but change your password as soon as possible and check your active sessions for any unfamiliar logins. Now, let's talk about what you can *see regarding your own content. Inside your private chats, Telegram uses a simple but effective checkmark system to show you the status of your messages. 1 checkmark means your message was sent, and 2 checkmarks mean your friend or contact has read it. It's a little like mailing a letter. You can't see who peeked at your mailbox, but you do get notified when your message is actually opened. In groups and channels, you get a little more visibility, but it's still anonymous. Telegram shows an eye icon with a number next to it under each post. This is a view count, so you'll know how many unique participants have seen your message or post. However, it won't tell you exactly who those viewers are. It's sort of like putting up a poster in your local cafe and seeing how many people walk by and glance at it without being able to match each view to a face. So to sum up, there's no official feature that lets you see who's viewed your specific Telegram profile, and any service claiming to offer that is best avoided. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. If you still have questions about Telegram's privacy features, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And as always, make sure to subscribe for more easy-to-understand tutorials. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.